This is CSS battles, and this is the coronavirus battle. I'll have it linked down in the description below if you want to go check that out. I'm going to go over kind of how I break down the problem, and I'll code it up. This is just my interpretation of the problem. That's the great thing about coding. You can do it so many different ways. Now, in terms of the scoring, I'm not that concerned about the score itself. I'm more concerned about readability and accuracy. So I'll try and write it as best as I can. So first, let's break down this problem. So this is the target that we need. We've got this background color. It's centered in this target. It looks like we've got a circle with 3 circles on the inside and 3 lines. I would say this is one div. The circles on the inside will probably also be a div inside the main circle. And as there's 3 of them, I can use before or after pseudo elements rather than repeating the divs. Similarly with the lines, because it looks like it's relative to the main circle, that'll be inside that as well. And I'll just use, again, pseudo elements before and after with different rotations. So I'm going to start off with the body, get it centered, and get the background color working. You can do this many different ways. I'll probably do this with display flex. Okay, looking good so far. I really do like this slide and compare or using the difference. I think that's great. Let's do shift and that will change the direction of the slider. So I'm just going to add a class to this main div. Let's call it, I'm just going to keep it kind of short and call it C for circle. I'll call this mini circle. That will be the smaller ones. And finally, we've got the line class. I cannot type today. And div. Okay, so I'm just going to change this div to be C dot, add in border radius. And what is that like? Yeah, that looks good. Looks like it's the right size. Position nicely. Let's just do difference. Perfect. Just change the color. So I'm going to add position relative to this because all of these will be position absolute based on this main class. Next, let's work on the lines. This is going to be position absolute. Height, I'm going to say the height 200%. 200%, and the width of 10 pixels. Top of 0, left of 0 for now. Background color is the same. Add a border radius. I think 10 pixels. Looks alright. So let's just get its positioned nicely. So top, let's do -50%. And left 50%. Let's see what that's like. Yeah, I think the height is too much. What I might do here is just do .l before and .l after, and then I'm going to rotate them. nice. I think that's generally pretty good. Slightly off, but it's not too bad. As yet, the mini circles pretty similar, I guess, to this. We'll just get this background color in first. Height. We'll call it 25 pixels. What am I missing? I've spelled background wrong. What an idiot. Let's move these around so it is on top. Okay, so it definitely needs to be bigger. I'm still a bit annoyed about those lines. Okay. Before is not moving. Let's change it to left. Also, that is far too tiny. 10 pixels. No, I'm still... So overall, that's okay. I'm a little bit annoyed about the lines. Let's submit this, see what I get. 100% match, a lot of characters, really bad score. So what could I do to improve it? There's, You do the thing where you remove space basically between everything and remove the semicolons at the end. You can also remove space between all that. That's another way to get down scores. So let's have a look. I think that I've got to be able to do something with this. You know what I could do actually? One way. So I could do .l, let's just copy this. Copy that. And copy this. And let's do content position there, so I can remove it there and there. I don't know if that will help. Again, let's just remove spaces. Oh, what did I do there? 4. I don't even think that changed. So that was the coronavirus battle. I'm definitely a little bit out of practice doing CSS. You know, trying to do the rotations and getting the lines leveled up. I thought that was a little bit difficult there. So maybe I need some more practice with that. Let me know how you got on with it. Hopefully you can beat my score because it is not great. If you have enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more, then please subscribe. Hope we all have a good day, and I'll catch you later.